Housecall Pro is built around service businesses that need scheduling, dispatching, and invoicing in one place. That structure matters because pricing is tied to how much of that system you actually use, not just one single feature. By the end of this, you'll understand what Housecall Pro typically costs and how to decide if it makes sense for your business size. Housecall Pro pricing is based on subscription tiers rather than a flat one-size-fits-all fee. Each tier unlocks different levels of job management, automation, and customer communication tools. That means the cost goes up as you move from basic scheduling and invoicing into more advanced automation and team management features. The entry-level plan is usually aimed at solo operators or small teams handling a limited number of jobs. It typically includes core tools like scheduling, invoicing, and basic customer communication. This is the tier most people start with when they are trying to replace spreadsheets or manual tracking systems. Higher tiers are designed for growing teams that need more automation and coordination. These plans often focus on dispatching multiple technicians, tracking jobs in real time, and improving follow-ups with customers. The value here comes less from individual features and more from how much time is saved when managing multiple jobs at once. The highest tiers are built for larger service businesses that rely heavily on automation and reporting. At this level, the platform becomes more about optimizing operations across a full team rather than just handling individual jobs. Businesses at this stage usually care more about efficiency and scaling than just basic job tracking. When evaluating Housecall Pro cost, the key question is not just the monthly price, but how many manual tasks it removes from your workflow. If you are spending time on scheduling, chasing invoices, and coordinating technicians manually, the software tends to pay off in reduced admin work. If your workload is small or irregular, the cost may feel harder to justify. The main idea is simple. Housecall Pro pricing scales with how much operational complexity it removes from your business. Focus on whether it replaces manual coordination or just adds another tool to manage. Start by mapping your daily workflow and identifying where automation would actually reduce your workload. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of business software pricing and whether it's actually worth paying for.